Are we selling big brain? I'm not selling big brain. The plan is on the screen. I'm not selling. I'm not buying. I'm not selling. The plan is clear on the screen. Big brain. Alien, of course. That's what I always do. Answer a few questions while we are still waiting for the zone. Alien. Sophie, you're welcome. You're welcome. That's awesome. I'm glad you were patient. That's good. That's good. Will I send a trade in the Telegram channel? I'll share the setup to the Telegram channel. I'm gonna share it there. The setup, yes. The trade goes to the VIP, those in the XNS VIP. The trade goes to them. Am I on 1 hour time frame? No, I'm on the 45 minutes time frame. I'm not on 1 hour. Those watching on YouTube, if you want the best resolution, you'd have to change your settings. Tap on the 3 dots on your top right, okay? Tap there, look for quality, and then select higher picture quality to get the best resolution, okay? To get the best resolution. Miss Aliyah, send a DM or go to the community. You would see everything there. So I'm going to go ahead and share this live to the community. Let's do same, guys. Let's share the live. Let's invite our other trading friends to join us. Let's have an engaging day today. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. What is my take on prop firm? Mohammed, I don't trade prop firm. And personally, I don't advise trading prop firm. But if it works well for you, I mean, go for it. I like to trade my own money. Those watching on YouTube, if you're having low resolution, tap on the 3 dots on your top right and then select higher picture quality, okay? You'd have a best resolution. You'd have the best resolution. Okay, guys, I'm back. Let me check the comments. You took no trade, same as me. That's great. Yesterday, I didn't take any trade. Which time frame? Maureen. 45 minutes time frame, Maureen. Sophie, awesome. No, I don't trade funded accounts. I don't. I've said several times I trade my own money. What am I trading? I'm trading XAUUSD. Maybe I need to indicate it. XAUUSD. That's my favorite pair. XAUUSD. That is my favorite pair. Sadman, what is the best prop firm? I don't trade prop firm, Sadman. Unfortunately, I can't advise you on that. Can't advise you. I wish I could, but I can't. I always advise people to trade their real monies, you know. But it works well for some people. So if that works well for you, go for it, okay? Don't let nothing stop you. Have I ever blown an account when starting? Mohammed, they should tell you my story. I shared some parts of my journey yesterday during the live. It got people laughing. Someone called it a demolition squad. When you blow an account, it's called demolition squad. I was part of those people when I started. Are you waiting on the bigger sell zone or the small sell zone? FK Ofori. So I'm waiting for this sell zone and I'm waiting for this big zone here too. This was the zone we were looking at yesterday. And price failed to tap it before it started selling. So I'm looking at trading from this zone. Hopefully set break even when price goes into little profit. Then look at what price is going to do. I'm on standard. I always use a standard account. I like standard. How many trades do I take in a week? It depends. It depends on the setup. If I don't get set up, like yesterday, I didn't take any trades, so I can't really give you the exact trades I trade in a week. But I take the best or the high probability trades. I don't just take any trades at all. If you follow me, you know that very well. I take the best setups per my strategy. How many pairs do I trade? Just one pair, what you see on your screen. I'm called a gold mother. I trade just gold. What time frame? 45 minutes. 45 minutes. What about BTC? No, I'm not trading BTC today. Who is typing demo? We don't have any business with demo here. Ampere Pro. Unless you want to trade demo. If you are starting off, you want to trade demo, that is fine. Awesome, then done. Awesome. Thank you. How many years have I been trading? 4.5 years. I've been trading for 4.5 years. Mohammed, you almost blew $10,000 so far since you started. That's crazy, Mohammed. How long have you traded, Mohammed? How long? King of Gold, I'm going to be blocking you, okay? Don't come here promising people you have high signals with 99% win rate. Go and make that money for yourself. Don't come here misleading people, okay? Where's the comment? Let me kick him out. We come here to engage and to learn. Don't come and tell people you have 99% sure signal. You have powerful scalping strategy. Don't waste your time. You don't waste your time. Go and use that 99% sure signal for yourself. Right, sometimes scalp in the 1 minute time frame. Sometimes when I feel like, but not on my main account. I have a flipping account. Gold needs to buy first to sell. I mean, let's look at what market will do. Whatever market does, we will still be here. Let's see. My buy zone is at 4776. Not necessarily, but then the buy zone is here. 4776 is inside the zone. It's inside the zone. When do you start seeing money because you are tired? The money you see it is a taking. You will see the money. When you start trading the money, you will see it. It's withdrawing that is difficult for beginners. They want to flip it again. So for the money, you see it. If you're talking about how long it takes for you to be profitable, that would be a question that, like, something we need to discuss. But if you're saying how long it took me to see money, I saw money from my first day. I saw money on my first day. I said it yesterday. I saw $900 on my first day from $200. But I lost that money same day in less than 30 minutes. My first day of funding live was crazy. I still remember the scene so well. I still remember it. So many comments, guys. I'm trying to read everyone's comments out, okay? If I don't read your comment, you can type it again in the comment. I'll do all to read it. As you're commenting, guys, then you're double tapping too, okay? Double tap on the screen. Share the live. Let's get many people joining. Let's tell TikTok that you like this live so they should share it to other people. We can only do that by sharing and also liking the live. Those on YouTube, we need more people joining us so we can get engaged, okay? We can engage in the chat. It all starts with you liking the live. Once you like it, YouTube sees it as a content that people like. They are going to recommend it. Why is our buying zone from yesterday still relevant? Because it's still a good zone, sir. Still a good zone. It's still just around the structure. It's not really gone far over the structure. That is why it's still relevant. Do I have classes? Yes, Eunice. I have a mentorship program. You can send a DM. You can send a DM, Eunice. Which time frame? FX coach. I'm on a 45 minutes time frame. 45. Alicia, I should stop the game. I'm not a trader, I'm a content creator. Thank you, Alicia. Go and do content creation too, okay? It's going to make you money. Do you think I make money from creating content? You're a joke. You trade MSNR. No, I don't. I don't know what MSNR is. I don't. Lily's asking how much. Lily, how much for what exactly, Lily? DM where on TikTok. So you can join the Telegram community and then you can send a DM to me from Telegram or on TikTok. Whichever one works well for you is fine. Do I analyze in the 45 minutes? No, I don't. You know, actually go to the 45 minutes because for me to show you the screen and the candles and the zones very well, I need to squeeze the time frame to get the candles well arranged on the screen for you guys. But I didn't analyze from the 45 minutes. Do you analyze in... No, I don't. I think I've answered that. For your mentorship, how much? Lily, it's $450, $450. If you want one-on-one, it's a different enrollment fee. This is your actual setup. That's great. That's great, Emir. That's great. Glad we have the same setup. Can I write the zones? Big brain. The prices are here. I don't know how I can write them down, but the prices are showing right there. Those watching on YouTube, if you want to get the best quality, if you want to see the chart clearly, change your resolution, okay? Tap on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it, select quality, and then change to higher picture quality. If it's blurry, then it's from your network, okay? People who name this market forest doesn't make sense. Doesn't make mistake, because you have to take me to the forest. I don't understand you, Donjay. Belinda, thanks, thank you. Elisha is a joke, don't mind him. Elisha is a big joke. I don't know what he's looking for here. Gold is just too slow. I know, Archangel. Gold has been slow from Monday. After this whole move, this buy move to the upside, yesterday is just around. It's been around this zone from yesterday. It's been so slow. Eunice, you've sent a DM on TikTok. Awesome. I'm going to check it out. Okay. Vijay, I see you. No before us to the trade here. Nasu. Generational Wealth, welcome. Good to have you back. I enjoyed engaging with you yesterday, Generational Wealth. It was nice. I'm looking for buy from this area. It's up to 24 hours. I don't understand that, Emir. Abba, do you know your broker is not available here in UK? Miss Yochu. Yes, it's not, but I can help you how to go about that. Send me a DM. You started with $200. Yes, Eugenia, I started my Forex journey with $200. My first ever funding was $200. And you can already predict what happened. That money wasn't mine for a while. I give it all back. Pope, I love the way you have been waiting for this trade since yesterday. You are not fast to enter. Yes, Pope. What about that sell zone? Which sell zone exactly? Is it the first one or this one? Which sell zone exactly? What time frame? Ugly good. I'm using the 45 minutes time frame. Ram Spider, I blew that $200 on my first day. I didn't grow that account. I grew to $900 on my first day. Then I blew it in about 30 minutes. My first time trading. I blew my $200 and I refunded because I wanted to make $1 million that day. It was crazy. It's just funny. Are we in yet? Marius, no, we are not in yet, Marius. What are the entering zones, please? Eunice, can you come again? Time frame 45 minutes. Cultural test makers. 45 minutes. What's the best capital to start with? Solobonto. It depends on you. But then the minimum most brokers allow is $10, $10. The rest depends on you. If you still want to go ahead and fund more than that, it's really up to you. You have to make that decision for yourself. And you still blew what you refunded, right? Oh, of course. I blew it. I blew it. I blew it to the ground, guys. Even fire couldn't have blown that account. I blew it, guys. I blew it. Do I trade futures or CFDs? I don't trade futures. I don't. I just blew my funded account chasing price. So sorry, Abu. I trade CF, but I don't trade futures. What is your buy entry point? Eunice, I can't advise on that because we are not in any trade yet. I can't give you an entry price. But then the zone is here, so we'll be looking for an entry in the zone. I will be looking for an entry in the zone. Okay, Miss Yochu, you can send a DM, yeah? Eugenia, I like money, you have no idea. 1 million on first day, of course. I mean, people were buying Lambos online. What did you expect? I was also hoping to make 1 mil. But it's been a big lesson learned. What's my current capital now? Last thing. What's yours too? Tell me your current capital. How have you worked on your psychology for these past years? Just working on it. I mean, just growing every day. Being kind to myself. Being soft on myself. Not discouraging myself. And whenever I blow an account, I tell myself, it's fine, it's fine. I'll come back the following day. I don't beat myself. I don't punch stuff. Like, I'm just kind to myself. Because that thing is going to sustain you in the long run. If you tell yourself, no, there's something I always preach about. A balance between you being disciplined and then you being kind to yourself, you being empathetic to yourself. When you start trading, you have to be kind to yourself. Don't be so hard on yourself with discipline always. There are times you go against your discipline. Trust me. It's not 100% that because you have written the rules down or you have prayed, you are going to go according to the disciplinary stuff you've written on your notebook or something. It's not going to go that way always. Trust me. You would falter at some point. When that happens, don't be hard on yourself. Just be kind to yourself. Tell yourself you've learned from it, you will show up, and then you will do better, okay? Don't be hard on yourself. If you're hard on yourself, you will leave Forex. You will give up. Don't be too hard on yourself in trading. Be so kind to yourself. Be very kind. I just blew my funded account chasing price now. Sorry about that. You don't have to chase price, you know. Let price come to you. Let it come to you. Let it visit you, okay? Don't go and chase price. Do I do account management? Next kid, depends on how much you're talking about. Do you have 100,000 USD? Do you have 100,000? That's a super A+ setup there. Thank you, Dave. We humans like to do wrong thing once in a while. It's true. It's true, Marius. It's true. It's going to happen. Once in a while, you're going to go against your strategy. You're going to go against your rules. That's fine. Tell yourself it's okay. You made a mistake. You learn from it. Don't be hard on yourself. Don't be hard. Don't be too hard on yourself. Don't be too hard. Kwesi, I'm on a 45 minutes time frame. I also find that if you agree with your calculated risk, it becomes better to your psychology. That's true. That's very true. You have to be at peace with your risk. Okay. You and your risk, you have to have an agreement. You tell yourself, no panic, okay? You have an agreement with the risk, that risk, no panic in this trade. So that you don't have to panic. You need to be at peace with your risk. Do you believe you only become strong psychological? Do you believe you only become strong psychologically after becoming profitable? No. Psychology is something that you still battle with, trust me. It's a long-term thing. It's because humans have ego, okay? Humans have ego, and in Forex, when you lose an account, it's more like your ego has been hit. That is how, your psychology tells you that your ego has been hit. So you need to, when your ego is hurt, you want to prove something. Just like when someone hurt you or someone says something like painful to you, you want to kind of retaliate. It's a human instinct. You cannot change it. That is how trading is. When you lose an account, your ego sets in and your ego starts to tell the market, I need to refund and improve the market. I can make the money back. Some way, somehow, it's wounded ego. And it's always going to be that way because it's a psychological game. Trading is a psychological game. Once you lose some money, it will get to you. But it's always how you manage it after. That is what's necessary. That's what's very important. How you manage your ego afterwards. You see BOS and FVG. This is going up. Davey, I hope that works for you. You can go ahead and do that. I really hope it works well for you, yeah? But I'm not seeing anything at the moment. Which lot size is suitable trading gold on account with 5,000 USD and time frame to use? Julie, are you hoping to grow that account conservatively? If you are hoping to do that, risk about maybe just about maybe 3%, yeah, 3% on each trade. 3%, 5% maximum. You need to know how much you are losing on every trade. So let me give you guys this calculation, okay? If you want to know how much you are losing on a trade per the number of pips, okay? Let me change my screen and then show you guys. So if you want to calculate how much you're going to be losing on a trade, okay, there's a formula I always use. The lot size times 10, which is a constant, right? 10 is always constant, times the number of pips. So let's say your lot size is 0.5, okay? And then your SL is, let's say, 30 pips or let's say 40 pips, right? So it was going to be 0.5, which is your lot size, times 10, times 30 pips. Who can give me the answer for this? Someone should do this calculation and let's get the answer. Let's get the answer. 150. Is that correct? Is it 150, guys? I haven't calculated it. Is it 150? Okay. So that means that if your stop loss is 30 pips and your lot size is 0.5, you're going to be losing 150, right? Same way, let's assume your TP is, let's say, 150 pips. So 0.5. So now you know how much you're going to be losing, which is this 150 here, right? It means you're going to be losing 150 USD. Now, same thing, let's assume that your TP is 150 pips. So it's going to be 0.5 times 10 times 150. Who can get us the answer? Oh, TradingView has given it to me. Let me get it from you guys. If your TP is 150 pips, 750. Okay, that's great. So 750. So if you want to know how much you're going to lose on a trade, you have to, if you don't think you want to lose 150 USD, it means you have to adjust your lot size or adjust your stop loss. Either way, you have to adjust those things. Maybe you want to lose just 100. Adjust in such a way that when you make the calculation, you're going to get 100 USD like loss. You understand? So let's go back to our chart. Guys, we are not double tapping today. We are at 8.4K. What's happening? We usually do 20K and above. We even got to 36K. Let's double tap, guys. Or TikTok is not going to recommend the live to people. Let's double tap, guys. Let's double tap, guys. Awesome. We are 10K likes. And let's share, okay? The more we share, the more we double tap, the more TikTok recommends the live to other people. Let's have many people joining us so we can engage here. I'm sharing the live. I'm sharing it to my Instagram. Tima Forex, I see you, Tima Forex. It's been a while. How has it been? It's been very long. I never see you trade other coins. I don't understand you. Which coins? Which coins are you talking about? Daddy Carmela, he want me to teach you. Sure, send a DM. Send a DM. Send a DM. Guys, I want to see something in the comment section. If this is your first time you're joining this live, let me know in the comment section. Just type new. If this is your first time, type new. If you've been with us before, just type back again. If this is your first time, type new. Type new. Let me see the new people we have today. Awesome. Welcome, Andy, ASA, Slow Bolo, Dr. Dingo, FX Mo. Welcome. So many new people. Back again. Sophie, as always. Belinda, awesome. New and enjoying. That's great. Good to have you here. Good to have you guys here. If this is your first time, let me know in the comment section. Type new. Back again, Ayamba, welcome. Mohammed, thank you, I appreciate it. New and learning, that's great. Accurate section, as always, welcome, back again. That's great, we have new people with us today. That's awesome. Julius, I know you are not new. You should be typing back again. Julius, you should be typing back again. Awesome. On YouTube, I have new people on YouTube too. Sefako, back again. That's great. Awesome, 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 awesome. Awesome. FX Mo, you want to learn? Send a DM FX Mo. Better days, welcome, better days. Welcome back. All the new people, welcome. I go live every single day, sharing my setup with you and live trading with you guys. If you want to know when I go live, go to my bio, check my Telegram community. You can join so that you get notifications when I'm coming live on TikTok. Here since day one. Dindon. Good to have you, Dindon. I appreciate it. You lost $50 today. What happened? Daniel, what happened? Let me know what happened. How did you lose 50 USD today? What app am I using to stream? Bonji, I'm using 2 apps for YouTube and TikTok. OBS, and I'm using the Live Studio. VTN champ, what do you mean? What do you mean he should lose another one tomorrow? You should be encouraging him, VT champ. You should be encouraging him. Welcome, guys. Welcome, 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 welcome. New, Senna, welcome. Good to have you, Senna. Good to have you. New in your live. Let's see how it goes. Local man, I go live every day. You can join every morning. We live trade gold here. FX Mo, you lost $100 yesterday. What happened? On which pair? Was it on gold? Was it gold? Tell me, was it gold? Of course it could be gold. If it's not gold, it's BTC. Do giveaway for new people. Can Dynasty do giveaway for me too? Do giveaway. Let me also receive some, okay? Do giveaway too. It's like I'll try gold. You don't try gold though. You have to study gold, okay? If you try gold, it will try you too. Gold will try you. It will try you. You lost $20 on gold yesterday. Sorry about that. Sorry. I'm happy that you showed up again. After the losses, you still showed up. That shows determination. Those on YouTube, guys, like the video. Just 14 likes, guys. Yeah, 41 on it. Like the video, guys. Like it. Or YouTube won't recommend the live to many people, okay? Like the video. Just tap on the like button. You flipped $30 to $400 and gave it back to the market within a minute. Slow, AMG. Sorry about that, okay? I'm glad you still showed up again. You've done well. Do I do account management? Local man, do you have 100,000 USD? Then you can hit me up, okay? But I can never give up. Daniel, don't give up. Don't give up on gold. I shared my story yesterday. If you were here, you'd have been motivated, okay? I think the recordings are on my YouTube channel. Yesterday's live is still on YouTube, so you can go and rewatch it. I went through hell my trading journey. I even had to take a lotto route at a point because I was broke. I became so broke at a point in my trading journey. Even 20 CDs I didn't have. It was that crazy. I created a limit order, price got in, but it didn't pick me. Even though I have the money, I used Xness. What might have caused it? So you created a limit order, price got in, but didn't pick me. So you're supposed to, you must, when you're setting limit orders, okay? If it's a buy limit order, set it a little above the price because you have to pay for spreads before price triggers your trade. You understand? So let's say you have a limit order. Someone is asking in the YouTube comment section that he set a limit order, price got there, but then his trade wasn't triggered. So mostly, let me switch back to this screen. So when you set a limit order, let's say you want to set a buy limit order here, okay? And price starts to come down. Price starts to come down to the zone. Your limit order is this red line. Now, if price taps this red line, doesn't mean that your trade is going to be triggered at once at that price. You need to pay for spreads first. So once price taps it, a little below it, before your trade will be executed. So most of the time, if you want to set a limit order, like a buy limit order, I always advise my mentees, set your limit order just above your intended price, okay? So if this is your intended price, let's say this is $2, right? Set your limit order at, let's say, $2.8, so that before price gets to the $2 you intended, you would have executed your trade and then you'll be paying for spreads already. Do you understand? That is how I trade my limit orders, so I don't miss my entries. Same thing for all the orders, okay? What's my YouTube name? Abatrace. Just type Abatrace. It's Abatrace everywhere. Abatrace. Just go to YouTube and search for Abatrace. Do I do account management? I think I've answered that. If you have 100,000 USD, you can hit me up for account management. Which time frame do I recommend? I love every time frame, if you ask me. Depends on which one gives me my confirmation for the trade, but I love every time frame. Nanakofi is asking what time frame? 45 minutes, Nanakofi. Let's go back to the charts. How do I confirm an entry? My entry criteria, I share it with only my mentees. So join the mentorship Phantom. Phantom. Yes, Phantom. Or you can join my weekly breakdown every Monday, 8 a.m. Maybe you might catch how I catch my entries. You started with $10, but you have up to 1,000 now. That's good, Daniel. Good for you. Nee, welcome. Good to have you back. Phantom, how can you join? Is it a mentorship? If it's a mentorship, you can send a DM, Phantom. Price moved through your limit order 15 pips. Then done. Send me a screenshot, okay? Send me a screenshot. Let me see. I'm having 100 USD in my account. How much should I be risking on a trade? So I gave a calculation here. Who asked that? Block Frenzy. This, right? If you want to know how much you're risking, lot size that you're using times 10 times number of pips. So if you're using 0.1, 0.01 times 10 times 100. If you're using 0.05, same thing. You'd know how much you're risking and how much you're losing in terms of capital, okay? Nee, you just woke up. Good for you, Nee. You've had much rest. I haven't taken breakfast yet. DB, Waba. Good to have you, DB. Good to have you back. I should do breakfast, make you come chop. Nee, don't worry, you can drive here. I'm taking oats and some eggs. I've cooked the eggs already. But when I get up, I'm going to do the oats. I'll take breakfast very soon. Maybe around 11:30. You need mentorship and guidance. Phantom. Send a DM, Phantom. Send a DM. What's the time in Ghana now? Currently it's 10:44 a.m. 10:44 a.m. You're eating jollof. Oh, Ashley. You're making me crave for jollof. Maybe I will do some today. You're making me crave for jollof. I can't. I have my soup from yesterday. Yesterday during the live, I think I mentioned I was cooking some soup. I still have the soup from yesterday. It's goat meat soup. Which time frame? So currently I'm on the 45 minutes time frame. You get free time, you will pass through today. Okay, Nee. Just let me know when you are coming. Just let me know, please. Write a book titled 40 CDs and a Dream. Sophie, I know. That'll be great. Phantom, I'm in Accra. Jollof trading, you earn a follow. You followed on Telegram. That is great. You'd always know when I'm coming live on Telegram. I'll update there. Why in Accra? Phantom, why do you want to come and visit me? That is not possible. I can't tell my location on the live. Have I heard from Dejin? No. Is it Dejin Snow? It's been a while I heard from him. DB, if you know Dejin, then you let me know. Who are you? Because if you know Dejin, then I think I might know you. Hi, Abba. I've been following you for a while. Good. 07. I'm glad. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Phantom, DM the beautiful lady. You could have just said DM the lady. But thank you, Loka One. I appreciate it, yeah. I never see money to chop. Chinelo, you never see money to chop, but you get money trade. Eh? If I may ask, I thought the live session with Abba is always on Monday. So Isaiah, on Mondays, I do live analysis, okay? I show you how I analyze the chart, how I draw the zones you see here. But then subsequently, I have live trading, where I draw the zones, then I come live, you understand? So if you want to know how I draw the zones, I go live every Monday morning at 8 a.m. YouTube and TikTok. And on the weekdays, I mean Tuesday, Wednesdays onwards, I come live to live trade. I don't do live analysis on Tuesdays to Friday. Please, is this for gold? Yes, it's written here, XAUUSD live trading. The prices too are here. It's for gold. I mean, do I have a boyfriend? I have a husband. I have a good husband. I have a handsome husband. What do you think I should look out for before entry when price mitigates my order block? You are cornering me to share my entry criteria with you. You need to join the mentorship. Or you can join my live analysis on Mondays, 8 a.m. GMT. Maybe you can catch how I get my entries. Why is it that when I analyze on the comment is gone, on the 4 hour, the lines disappear? I don't understand. The lines disappear on the 30 minutes. I don't get what you mean. I don't have that issue. If you want me to help you can send a DM. I'll assist you with that, okay? What time frame? Quintessential. It's 45 minutes. What's bias? Big brains. My plan is on the screen. It's clear and evident. I don't have any bias now. Once price gets to my zone, my bias will come out, okay? I don't have any bias now. What time do you live trade Tuesdays to Fridays? Just around the same time. Just around the same time. You can join the Telegram community so when I go live, you get notifications, okay? You made $300 but lost it due to bad calculation and wrong entry. So sorry about that, Phantom. So sorry about that. Does making $100 to $200 profit every day on an account of 1,000 USD make one a better trader? I mean, if you are consistently making that amount, you're a better trader. I mean, you're making money, right? But then making that money, it depends on how much you are risking. If you are risking more and gaining less, that is that is bad business. That is bad business. That is bad business. You are risking $500, but then you are just taking your profit at $100. That is bad business. No wonder, because your candles were different. I can't get 45 minutes on MT5. Yes, on TradingView. But I didn't analyze on the 45 minutes. I analyzed from different time frames. I analyzed from the daily. Then I fine-tuned my zones to the ones you see here. Would you take the trade on the 45 minutes or on the 50 minutes time frame? Block frenzy. I explained earlier, the 45 minutes time frame is displayed just because I need you guys to see the zones very well, okay? If I change it to 15 minutes, you not see the zones I'm looking at. It's going to, if I go to the 5 minutes, it's going to stretch out. So I want you guys to see the zones well. That is why I have taken the 45 minutes. It's nothing special. But I'm not taking it on the 45. I'm going to get an entry on the lower time frame when price gets there. Do you have a YouTube account? Yes, Omodo Arts, Abatrade on YouTube. Just Abatrade. Can you show me how your buyers work, please? Big Brains. Join the mentorship, Big Brains. I'll show you everything. My mentorship is one of the best, or if not the best, trust me. I shared a story yesterday where I was a victim of bad mentorship. I paid money to some people for mentorship, and I mean, you guys know the end of the story, right? So I always told myself, if I get a chance to teach people, like I'm teaching people, I'll promise myself to give them the value for whatever they enrolled for. So if my mentees are here, they will tell you, I go all in for my mentees. I go all in. I have time for my mentees. Just like I have time to come on live and answer your questions, I have that time for my mentees too. You set a buy limit? No, Phantom, not yet. I'm going to check your DM, okay? I'm going to check it. How much does it cost? The mentorship is $450 for a group class. One-on-one is different. Today, gold made me a psycho. Tell me about it, CEO Trader. So someone just said something interesting on YouTube. Okay, I'm going to be reading it out. This DM thing you are talking about, I sent you a message on TikTok and the message reply was not from you. I could have fallen victim of that scam. So where is the best channel to send you a message? I always say that the best channel to message me is on Telegram. And you can only message me well when you are joining the Telegram community in my bio. There are several scam groups, trust me. Yesterday I was even surprised. I went to Telegram, I searched for arbitrage. Several scam groups, several of them. Now let me show you how you can identify these scam groups. When you enter the group, there is mostly investment programs. We are having investments, bring money. We are doing. I don't ask you to bring money. If you go to my channel, it's purely trading, purely education. Nothing like bring money. So if you go to any group and you are seeing bring money, we are doing investment, we are doing BTC investment, send money, do this, that is not like a true group for you. That is a scam group. Now, anyone that asks you for money is also a scammer. Okay? If you go to any arbitrage group and then they are asking you for money, that is not me. That is a scam group, guys. That is a scam group. Even on TikTok, there are several arbitrage accounts. That is not me. Okay? You can message me on IG too. Same thing. Or on Telegram. It's arbitrage everywhere. No underscore, nothing. Just arbitrage together. Okay? If you see arbitrage 1, arbitrage 2, arbitrage underscore, arbitrage dollar, it's not me. It's not me, guys. Okay, Ding Dong. I'll get back to you, okay? On Telegram, I'll reply to you after the live. Someone says she is married. Yes, I'm married. I'm married. That's my ring. I'm married. You scalp on XAU. No, I'm not a scalper, Phantom. I'm not a scalper. I'm a day trader. You have a bullish bias on XAU. What range are you looking to enter? My plan is on the screen. Leave Forex. My plan is on the screen. I don't have any bullish bias or bearish bias. Just waiting for the zones. CEO trader, that's okay. That's okay. Do you use CRT at times? What is CRT? Yesterday someone mentioned CRT. What is CRT, guys? What is CRT? Isaiah, you're welcome. Isaiah, you're welcome. Welcome, Isaiah. You're welcome. How much do I earn daily? Phantom, is that going to help your trading account when I tell you how much I earn daily? Is that going to make you profitable? What is going to make you profitable is what I'm doing for you, okay? Leave my profits for me. Let's all concentrate on our accounts. You like the music? Appreciate it. I'm glad you guys like it. Candle range theory. Wow, this is the first time I'm hearing this. Candle range theory. Never heard of it. Never heard of it. What's my main strategy? Phantom, if you want to join a mentorship, go ahead, okay? Go ahead and message me. Let's make some blues. K Brown, I like your energy. Positive energy. Let's make some blues. Cancer range theory. Wow, so many strategies, guys. I mean, if the strategy works well for you, if the strategy works for you, that is fine. That is okay. I don't know anything about it, but if it works well for you, stick to it, okay? Oh, okay, Ash. It's based on accumulation, manipulation, distribution. That's great. I've never heard of it before. CRT. Interesting. Am I funded, sis? Coco Muni. I'm not funded. I fund myself. No one funds me. I don't trade funded accounts. I trade my own account. When I say funded accounts, I mean prop firms, okay? Why does a crown and 2 show on your name? I'm not sure. Maybe because you've been commenting a lot. It's showing like you're a top fan or something. I'm not sure. Let's see what market does. Let's see what market does. Gold tends to be pushing up now. Let's hope we make a good trade today. Let me play my favorite song from the playlist. This is my favorite song. I like to mostly open my live with this song. It's just nice for me. Someone says strategies deal. I tell you. But you know, it's not bad. It's not bad. So far as it works well, that is it. If it makes you money, that is it. We are all here to make money. We are in Forex to make money, you know. If the strategy makes you money, stick to it. Me and gold now fighting in silver bullet. Interesting. Which zones are you looking at selling at? Mr. Avoga, my plan is on the screen, Mr. Avoga. Will price get to the buy zone today? I'm not sure, Tessa. I wish I knew. If I knew, I would have bought a private jet by now. I wish I knew. Need Tropicae. I still don't get your question. I told you to be clear on it so I can help you. About FX. Thank you. Gold is kicking and breaking your 2 teeth. Please keep your teeth. Oh, you need that teeth to chew chicken when the money comes. Okay, keep your teeth. I'm in gold buy from 808. Good for you, Ash. Good for you. It's to go to the sell zone first, then reverse to the buy zone, I think. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Let me share this setup to the community. Something waking up inside. I'm sharing the setup to the community, guys. Sharing the setup. Gold has evaded us, I don't know, from Monday. Always playing hide and seek. Let's hope today we catch it, okay? Why do we have the same setup? Elba Queen. Maybe because you have a good strategy. Good for you. Can I pick you so you say it? Unfortunately, no. I cannot pick you. Abba FX, thank you. I appreciate it. How many currency do I trade? I don't trade any currency. I trade only gold. I'm not saying this to just salute you, Abba. I must be honest with you that your videos and sincere advice have helped my Forex journey. You are just too sincere about the information you share. Yeah. I'm sincere about the information I share. I go all in. That is what I've always been saying. When I'm teaching something, I go all in. If I'm teaching on YouTube, if I'm teaching online, I don't hide anything. Especially with my mentees. They're actually one of the luckiest traders on Earth, my mentees. I don't hide anything from them. Same way I trade, I teach them the same thing. The same thing. They get the same thing. And you had to talk to my boss at work that there's a woman who is rocking FX like never before. I had to share your handle, and since he's been following you and right now he's with me just smiling. I appreciate it, Isaiah. I appreciate it. Where are you from, Isaiah? Which country? May I know your name? Is it Abba or something else? My name is Abba. ABA, Abba. It's a Ghanaian name. But why only gold? Block Frenzy, that is a pair that I have become used to. I understand the pair structure. It didn't just happen in a day. It took a while for me to get used to the structure on gold. I used to trade only GBP USD when I started trading. Just GBP USD. But with time, I studied gold for a while and I got the structure of gold. That's when I was able to integrate my strategy into gold. Guys, I want to ask you something, okay? Do I talk very fast? Do I talk very fast? Or the tempo is okay for you? Do I talk so fast? Let me know. Do I talk so fast? I'm trying my best. I don't know. I talk so fast. I try my best to sometimes slow down. I talk normally. It's okay. Okay. Nice. Okay. Oh, that's great. That's great. I thought sometimes I was going so fast. That's great. That's great. That's great. Lefa, you blew your account today. Wow. What happened? And how much did you blow? Isaiah, you're from Nigeria. Awesome, Isaiah. That's great. That's great. That's great. Say hello to your boss for me too, okay? Good to have you guys on the live. My name is Abba, Nigerian name. I think I'm in love with you. Abba. If you're in love with Forex, that makes sense. You like my swag? Wow, I have a swag on the live. Interesting. What swag are you talking about? What kind of swag? You blew 15,000 cedis, dollars, naira. How much? 15,000 is vast, you know. It's vast. It can be naira, it can be rupees, it can be dollars, rands. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, sorry. How many trades do I take in a day? It depends, Akwaba. It depends. Like yesterday, I didn't take any trade. Currently, gold seems to be heading to my sell zone. So maybe I might take a trade. If this trade goes well for me, that'll be my only trade for today. I don't like to chase the market with every setup. The way you speak with confidence. Thank you, Abube. Thank you. I'm so scared of XAUUSD trading. Don't be scared, okay? I also was once scared of gold. Now I'm the gold mother. I'm the mother of gold. Yes, I talk fast. I'm trying my best. I know I talk very fast. I know it. I'm trying my best so much. Even this live, I'm really slowing down. How much to join your mentorship, please? You're from Liberia. $450 for a group class. One-on-one is different. I love the way you stream. I also like to stream too. That's great, Darius. Awesome. That's great. I'd love to have more insight into this trade thing. Have an interest. Okay, Benzema. You can send a DM. Maybe you can score a goal in Forex like Benzema. Who knows? It always blows my account. It's part of the process. You get better, okay? You get better. Gold Mother. Appreciate it. Those who know me know. Gold Mother. That's my name. Gold Mother. Which strategy do you recommend for gold? My strategy, Ken. My strategy. How do I join the group class? Send a DM, Benzema. Send a DM. Send a DM to TikTok or to Telegram. How much is my course? I have a mentorship program. I don't give you a course. I teach you. I come on live with you and teach you. It's $450. For a group class, one-on-one is different. Do you think gold will reach 4853? 4853. That is somewhere around my sell zone, my upper sell zone here. So yeah, let's see. I'm not sure about that. What's the stop loss on the sell, on the possible sell? I don't have a stop loss yet. I'm not in the trade yet. Vintage secure, I'm not in the trade yet, so I don't have a stop loss. But the stop loss will go for the VIP, the XNES free VIP group. They are going to get access to the stop loss and then the parameters. What strategy exactly? My strategy, Manuel. My strategy. You are so sweet. CEO Trader, you came to spam me with nice comments today, eh? Anyway, I appreciate it. Thank you. How much for the group class? $450, guys. Fire setup from Nairobi. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. The one saying buy gold now. If you want me to block you, type it again, okay? Don't come here and tell people what to do. I'm not even telling people what to do. If you want to buy gold, go ahead and buy gold, okay? 50 or 450. I talk very fast. Okay, it's 450, guys. 450. It's not 50. 450. If it's $50, I'll just do it for free. Come on, 50. Come on. I can blink and make $50 right now in seconds. I can blink and make $50. I don't even need to blink. How do I join the XNES group? Send a DM, Phantom. Send a DM. Send a DM. It's for only those who use XNES, who have signed up with my XNES link or are under my XNES link. You sent a DM. Awesome. I'm going to reply, okay? After the live. Guys, as you're commenting, you're double tapping, okay? Let's get TikTok to recommend the live to many people. Those on YouTube, your likes are low. 21 likes, guys. You can do better. You can do better, guys. Let's get the likes up. The more we have people joining us, the more questions come up, the more we are all able to learn. If we don't like the video, we tell the platform that we are not interested in the live and they shouldn't recommend it. When you like, when you share, they recommend it to more people. Let's get the likes up, YouTube. Let's get the likes up. 21 likes is very low. Let's get the likes up. Let's get the likes up, guys. Stanley, hello. Welcome. I want to be there on your setup with you. Okay, CEO Trader. You can stay with me. You can stay with me. If you see something else too, go with it. How can someone be so confident in his signal like this? It's because I've done this for a while. And I believe in myself. I believe in myself so much. I know what I'm capable of. Where's your house? Where's your house though? I'm on the way. Yeah, so interesting. So possible sell, right? Yes, hopefully. So let me tell you the plan. You see this red line here? Yes, it's an area up here that possibly price might tap into. But then overall, I'm looking at this sell zone here first, okay? I'm going to be entering when price gets to this sell zone. And I'm going to notify the VIP community that I'm in. I'm going to send a signal to the VIP community. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. You're not Nigerian, I guess. I'm Ghanaian. Rasta Cats vlog. I'm Ghanaian. I'm Ghanaian. Full blood Ghanaian. I'm Ghanaian. Trump, really? Joe FX, what's up, sis? I'm good, Joe. How are you? Manots, good to have you, Manots. Appreciate it. Thank you. You're more comfortable with the zone above. Yes, I'm also comfortable with this. I'm actually comfortable with all the zones I've drawn. So let's hope it gets there too, okay? Let's hope it gets there too. It's buying like mad. Sandox, I hope you're in the buys. Bullish Flex, appreciate it. Thank you so much, Bullish Flex. Bullish Flex, do you only buy? Your name is Bullish Flex. Do you only buy? You know, in trading, there's something that you always have to find out, okay? I've noticed with time that I'm more of a seller than a buyer. I don't know if anyone has a similar experience with like analyzing how their trades go. I believe I'm more of a seller than being a buyer. If I check most of my trades, most of my good trades, or most trades most setup I analyze, I'm more of a seller. Is there anyone who has experienced a similar thing? Or anyone who has come to that conclusion to know that they are more of something to the other? I'm more of a seller. Your best setups are buys. Interesting. Yeah, buyer mostly. Interesting. You know, it's good to know that. It's good to know it. Whether you're more of a buyer or you're more of a seller, it's good to know it. It's good to know it. You love selling gold. Same here. I love selling gold and buying gold. I don't know why. I'm more of a seller. If you go to the community, most of my trades, most of my banger trades are sales. It's always good you're able to identify which one you mostly gravitate towards. Okay, I'm more towards selling. You find yourself buying anything anytime you wait to sell. That makes learn more. Interesting. Interesting, guys. Interesting. You are more of SL and your banger trade is SL. That's funny, Lee Flash. You are more of SL. Most of your banger trade is SL, not TP. That's funny. That's funny. That's funny. That's funny. Ojo said he's more of a buyer. Interesting. Lee Flash is funny. He said he's more of SL. His banger trade is SL, not TP. That's funny, guys. That's funny. That's funny. That's funny. There's an FVG sitting at the top. Price will hit the first zone and then drop. Phantom, I don't know what you're talking about, but I have my plan on the screen, Phantom. Lee Flash, that's great. Let's hope things go well for us. Lee Flash is funny, seriously. He's made me laugh my best this morning. He's made me laugh my best. Ugly good, you're more of a buyer. Interesting. Yeah, Phantom, that's okay, that's okay. That's okay, Phantom. YouTube, let's get the likes up. YouTube, let's get the likes up. Your likes are low, 25 likes. YouTube won't recommend this live to people. Let's get the likes up, guys. It's free. Just tap on the like button, okay? It's just free. Tap on it. I'm a beginner of trading. I just don't know if I should use funded account or live account. Rukaya, do you want my advice? Trade your money, okay? If you're a beginner, don't try funded account and mess up your psychology. Funded accounts are addictive. Very addictive. Very addictive. Once you start buying, you will not stop buying. You will buy till thy kingdom come. Unless you go for deliverance. You will keep on buying. You will buy and buy. It's so addictive. Can SL, KSL. Is your old link working since I'm an old member before you need to solve a group? Life source, I don't understand. Can you be clear? Both buys and sells work for you. Yeah, you know, they work for you all right, but you realize that maybe you should go back to your trace and check. You realize that mostly there's one bias that you gravitate to more, right? I tend to see better sales in the market than buys. That is what I've noticed in the past. Rajan FX said, will you marry me? Rajan, can you get 50 Lambos in my garage? Can you? That's just a joke, guys. I'm married. I almost wanted to buy one. Buy what? Emmanuel, buy what? Buy what exactly? Are you talking about a private jet? It would be good to have a private jet, guys. It would be good to have it. It would be good to have a private jet. But my money is not there yet. I don't have private jet money yet, guys. I don't have private jet money. I know, Rajan, I know. Just kidding. I passed for another account, thought life was going to change. The market humbled me in 2 to 3 days. I tell you, funded account, it's a facade, a big facade. You buy again, you buy it. Because in your mind, you are trading real money, but you are trading demo. Why not go and try your hands on demo account and use your own money to buy demo? Come on. XNES will give you demo to just try your hands on. Can I be your houseboy? You love trading. Chubi, I don't have anyone helping me here, but I don't think I need one now. Thanks for your good thoughts, okay? Do I include wicks? Yes, Travis. I include wicks in my trading. I include wicks a lot. Mox, you're going all in. Mox, make sure you are doing that on a flip account, not your scaling up account, okay? God has been playing tiki-taka with us for days. I hope we catch it today. I tell you, God has just been playing around, guys. God has been playing around with us. It's crazy. Since Monday, I haven't caught any good trade on gold. I was only able to get 60 pips. 60 pips is small. Julius, you ask this every day. You know what to do. Send a DM, Julius. Sign me as your homeboy. Chubi, I don't need one now, Chubi. You like the way I teach and I would like you to be my mentor. Julius, send a DM. I do professional massage if you like. Alien, come on. Set up a business, Alien. Set up a business. Okay? Set up a business. I can't be your first client, unfortunately. 60 pips is small. That's what she said. Alien, yeah, 60 pips is small. I mean, for me, you know, it's not like it's small. I know how good my setups are. So when I say 60 pips is small, it's just because I know my setups go further than that. What's your good name, please? My name is Abba. My name is Abba. Rajin, you're 19 years old. Good to have you, Rajin. Do you think that it's really not a good idea to buy funded account? Maybe it's us who play the game wrong, you know. I'm not saying it's not a good idea. I said for me, okay, I don't advise personal funded accounts if you want my advice. But then if it works well for you, stick to it, okay? It works for people. People make money from it. If it works well for you, stick to it. Because I've bought several funded accounts in the past. All my monies went into funded accounts, guys. Gold slows down by 3 to 2, 5 in Indian time. Okay. You're from TikTok Live. How do you move from TikTok to YouTube? I'm wondering. Gilos, you wanted to see what's happening on YouTube? Where are you from? I'm from Ghana. I'm from Ghana. I'm from Ghana. What is my highest TP so far? Can I remember my highest TP? Seriously, I've had banger crazy trades on gold. I can't remember. I've had over 2,000 pips before. 2,000. I've had like, I can't remember. Go to my community. Just go and check. I've had so many banger trades on gold. I can't remember my highest TP. Maybe over 2,000 pips. Even last 3 weeks. During the live session, we analyzed a zone on gold. They went 2,000 pips in a day. How many pips does my setup give on the average? So with the current structure on gold, at least 400 pips. Maybe at least 200, but then 400, 500. Because now gold is very volatile, so. Julius, you know what I want you to do? When you type a question, type it just once, okay? Don't keep on spamming the comment, okay? I will see the question and I'll read it out. Aba is a popular place in Nigeria, known for trading. Oh, okay. Yeah, I know there's a place called Aba. But Aba is a Ghanaian. It's a Ghanaian name. It's also a Ghanaian name. What time frame is this? 45 minutes. 45 minutes. Are you in Accra? Yes. El Hajj, I'm in Accra. How many pips does your setup give on the average? Sophie, I think I answered that already. Jiro Boy, can I be your mentor? Send a DM, Jiro Boy. Send a DM. Gold has to do something for us today. How much for one-on-one? It's $2,000 for one-on-one. Nee, $2,000 for one-on-one. It was 3,900 pips when gold became volatile. Okay, more. Do you trade other pairs? No, Treasure, I don't. I analyze other pairs, but I trade only gold. Time frame, 45 minutes. 45 minutes, guys. Ogadugu, good to have you. Do you speak only French? Or you understand? I'm trying to bring my small French here. No man can break your heart again. Interesting. I mean, with Forex, you have a hardened heart. Nothing really gets to you. There's no 45 minutes on MT5. Yes, this trading view. How many pips does your setup give on the average? I'm just coming in. So I said it earlier. At least with the current structure on gold, 300, 400 pips. You speak French? Oh, you also speak English? That's great. What's my risk percentage? Juroy. Depends on how much you're talking about. But then 5% depends on the account and depends on the purpose of the account. Julius, if you keep on spamming, I would have to remove you, okay? type your question just once. You don't have to keep on spamming it in about 5 or 6 comments, okay? If you do that, you make it difficult for others to read the comments too, because yours keeps on running through, please. Thank you. Solomon, who's answer? Buy on 15-minute structure broken. No one is buying here, Solomon. If you are buying, I hope you make money. I hope you make some good money today. How many pips? I've answered this already. Someone can type it to him. I'm targeting bride price today. Pray for me to hit TP. Good luck in your marriage, Lee Flash. Your woman is lucky. You can speak English and pay. Awesome, awesome. Alien, am I single? Alien, you know the answer already. I'm not going to answer you. You've been on this life for a while. You know the answer. Can you show us how to reduce the SL as a result of having huge order block? Just go to the lower time frame. Keep on fine-tuning it, okay? I teach that in my live analysis every Monday morning, 8 a.m. I go live every Monday morning on YouTube and on TikTok. I show you how I analyze it, how I fine-tune my zones. So you can go ahead and join on Monday or watch the old videos on YouTube, Charles. Good job, good mother. Thank you, mama. Thank you. My mom is on the live. Why is gold not moving? I don't know, God's power. I don't know why. Can I be your house cleaner and personal massage therapist? Alien, if you know how to clean, set up a company, okay? You make so much money. Have a cleaning company and a massage company on the side. You make money, trust me. You buy a Lambo soon. I see 3 possible zones. Which one are you choosing? I'm trading according to which one gets there first. So this is my first zone because price is almost around that zone. I've sent you a text on WhatsApp concerning the partner change link. Yes, Engineer Kobe, I'll answer you, okay? I'll reply to that. Sorry for the late reply. I want to teach you French, so then you teach me gold trading. Oh, that won't be bad. I can speak some French. You know, I went to Alliance Française some years ago. But I don't have anyone to speak with. I've always loved French from kindergarten. I've always loved French. Why do you trade on only longer time frames? Rajan, so the reason I'm showing 45 minutes is because I want you guys to see the charts very well. But then that is not the time frame I took my zones from. You understand? How much of the discipline accept do you give attribute to when it comes to trading? Joshua, I don't really understand your question. Can you come again? 9 zones gold, mother. Thank you, Kojo. Thank you, Kojo. Guys, my mom is on the live. Go follow her too, okay? She does content. She does content in Tree. She's paused for a while. Maybe you can encourage her to come back. My mom is on the live. What if it breaks the first one and respects the second one? Then we just move with the market. We move with the market, treasure. If I come to England, I should let you know. I'll collect you. Yeah, hopefully next year. I'm hoping to come to UK next year. I was going to go this year around May, but then I postponed it to next year. I'll come next year. I'll let you know when I come, okay? Last year when I went to UK, I went in 2024. I was in Wembley. I was staying in Wembley. How long have I been trading? 4.5 years. 4.5 years. What's my mom's name so you follow? Mama, can you comment? My mom will comment. When she comments, you guys will see her. That is if she's still on the live. You do Airbnb for me. You give me free stay. Thank you. Do you wait for confirmation before taking trades? Depends on. Most of the times I enter at the top of the zone. I enter at the top. Unless the zone is too big, then I don't want to risk my stop loss that big. I go to the lower time frame. But then mostly I enter at the top of the zone. So with this zone, once price gets to the zone, I'm taking my trade from there. I like you. We have the same setup. Good treasure. Good for you. What price am I waiting for buys? It's on the screen. It's on the screen. You want to buy Rolls Royce today? Ugly. Take your time. Take your time. What is a possible sell or buy? It's on the screen. Sell Vaz. It's on the screen. You're inviting me to Nairobi. Hopefully I'll come to Nairobi. Hopefully. I think through this live I've made many friends from different countries. When I come there, I'll just let you guys know. How many cars am I having? Block Frenzy. Are you going to drive them for me? I'm waiting for you to come to the UK next year. Kojo, I'll hit you up when I come. But you said you were in Scotland, right? Or you mentioned you were in Scotland. The discipline aspect of trading. How much of it affects your trading and how do you set your mind right? The discipline aspect of trading. How much of it affects your trading and how do you set your mind right for you to always be in the right state of mind? Not a lot of people talk about that. Joshua, I'm trying to process your question. It's a lot of the discipline aspect of trading. How much of it affects your trading and how do you set your mind right for you to always be in the right state of mind? This is a broad topic. This is a very broad topic. You know, I have a video on YouTube, okay? Joshua, go and watch that video. I think the title is Why I Don't Trade Daily. I don't know. Let me check. Let me check for that video for you. Yes, Why I Don't Trade Daily. Go and check that video. I think I answered that question there, okay? I should come to Nigeria. I'll come, Elizabeth. I'm going to come to Nigeria. I've not visited any African country. Okay, yes, I've gone to South Africa. But then that's the only African country I've visited. The rest are all outside Africa. Hopefully I visit an African country maybe this year. Let's see. No, I have kids, so when I'm traveling, I need to factor my kids into my traveling plans. I have 2 kids. I need to factor them into my traveling plans. I need to factor them in before I can make plans as to when to travel. Come to South Africa, Cape Town. I was in Cape Town last year. I was in Cape Town in November. Alien, you have vibes. But thank you. I appreciate it, yeah? Appreciate it. I should come to Nairobi. Funny enough, I've had many Kenyans on this live, and I think I'm beginning to love Kenya because I'm making friends from there. Hopefully I'll have an event in Kenya. Maybe I'll just visit. Yeah, when I visit, we'll meet up. We'll have a meeting. We just meet to talk and to engage. Yes, I said I'll be taking my breakfast at 11:30. So should I go, Senna? I've been trying to lose some weight, so I've been checking my food well. Just want to lose a few kgs for your real skin. Alien, yeah, funny. Kampala, good to have you. Good to have you, Martin. Good to have you. What time is this? 45 minutes time frame. I should add gym. Yeah, I go for walks. So mostly after 5 p.m. I go for walks, like a 1 hour walk. But it's not easy to do to manage your portions and stuff. It's not easy. I like shawarma, but I haven't eaten shawarma in a long time because I'm trying to lose some weight. Am I in a trade now? No, okay, I'm not in the trade. I'm not in any trade yet. You're a health and wellness coach. Sophie, I need you in my life. I need you, Sophie. I need you. Nairobi is one of the best cities. Wow. Interesting. So now I have Nairobi, I have Kampala, I have which country? Yeah, Tanzania, yes. I have those 3 countries on my bucket list. When I come there, I mean you guys will hear of it. I'd love to meet all of you when I come. Can I check BTC? No, Treasure, I'm trading gold. I can't check BTC now. I've done my setup for gold. I love you too. I appreciate you, yeah, Mohammed. Where would you want me to contact you? WhatsApp? Yeah, Sophie, send me a DM, okay? So that I remember after the live. Send me a DM. Send me a DM on TikTok, yeah? Thank you, Sophie. Thank you. Thank you. I would really appreciate it. Maybe in the next 6 months, you guys will see me with a very slave face. I'll be unrecognizable. Is it true you guys are making money in this Forex thing? Someone should reply carry for me, okay? Tell him about Forex. South Africa. Yes, I was in South Africa last year. I was in Cape Town last year. I was in Cape Town last year, November. Then I went to Canada at the end of the month. End of November, I went to Canada. Which time frame is your setup? I'm on a 45 minutes time frame. Which strategy do you use? My strategy, Frank. Julius. Aria sees your face and she feels you're not minding her. She says, join my mommy's trading community. That's my mom, guys. She is Henrietta Finn. She's saying my kids are with her now. She's saying my kids see my face on the live end. She's saying, join my mommy's trading community. Aria, I see you, Aria. I see you. I miss you, baby girl. I miss you, Aria. They're on vacation, so I've taken them to my mom's place. If they were here, they would have interrupted this live several times. Am I an ICT trader? No, to me, I'm not an ICT trader. Please, I want to get signed up on XNES. Rastacat vlog, check my bio. My XNES link is there. Tap on it, register, and then send me a DM, okay? I'll add it to the free VIP. Aria, I see you, Aria. I see you, Aria. At possible sell zone, did you sell? Kim, K, I don't understand. Nice pattern detection. You're good at it. Thank you, Kanu. Thank you. I appreciate it, Kanu. My setup looks like supply and demand. It's still the same system. Can't find 45 minutes on XNES. You sure? Let me check. The XNES trading terminal. You should be able to find that on it. If not, just check on TradingView too, okay? You want to join the XNES VIP? Send a DM, Phantom. I wish I could get someone replying those who want to join the VIP. Just to let them know they should DM. Okay, there's no 45 minutes. Okay. But you know, not necessarily, this is the time frame I did my analysis from, okay? I just put this time frame there to make sure that the chart is not squeezed so much. If I take it to the 15 minutes, this is how you guys will see it. It won't be so clear, so I have to get a time frame that you see things clearly. People want to know your strategy stylishly for free. I know, Sophie. They don't know my story. They don't know what I went through to come up with this strategy. What broker do I use? I use XNES. Go to my community, tap on the pinned link, and then register with my partner link. If you do that, you send me a DM, I'll add it to the VIP. Those watching on YouTube, your likes are low. YouTube, what's happening? What's happening? Just tap on the like button. It's free. I mean, I'm not paying even a cent for it, okay? Just tap on it. Let YouTube recommend this live to many people who are also online, many traders online. You look like my favorite artist, Tracy Chapman. You're beautiful, from Nigeria. Thank you, Buchi. Thank you. 2 weeks, I've never gotten a gold trade. It's weird these days, or yeah, it's not just you. This week I haven't gotten any good trade on gold. Gold has been playing serious hide and seek with us. What if you're using XNES already? Send me a DM. I'll let you know how to join. Yes, you can still be part of the community. As Siwaju, send a DM. I'll let you know how to join. Am I an ICT trader? Michael? No, I don't trade ICT, guys. I don't. Gold is just evading us, and I want to go and take breakfast, guys. I want to go and take breakfast. What should we do? Should I leave the live on, go and eat and come? Or I should just end the live and then come back later? What do you guys suggest? I should go and eat. Should I leave the live on? Or let's go on live and then come back soon when price is almost in the zone? Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think? I shouldn't quit. Come back after an hour. Let me know what you guys think. Leave and come back. Okay, let it be on. Eat live with us. Wuchi, then you also have to request it, okay? You also be eating your food and I'll be eating mine with you on the live, okay? I shouldn't quit. I should leave the live on. Go and eat and come back. Okay. So you know what we'll do? What do I do, guys? I should eat with you guys. Come on. Let it be on. Come back after an hour when market is moving. We wait for entry. Go and eat. Set an alert. Yeah, I think that makes sense. Yes. I think that makes sense. Let me set an alert before I leave, okay? But I'll come back when price is almost in the zone. So once I'm live, it means that price is almost in the zone and we are coming back. I've set an alert, guys. Let me set an alert down here too. So I've set an alert, right? When price is almost there, I'll get notifications to come back live. So guys, you're also about to eat. Let's set alert and go and eat. That's true. Let's all go and eat, okay? Let's all go and eat. You guys have engaged here so much. We've interacted, we've learned. I appreciate your time. I'm learning a lot from you guys too, yeah. I'm learning a lot. So you know what? Let's all go and eat, okay? Let's grab something to eat. And let's come back soon. Now, if you want to know when I come back live, join the Telegram community to get notifications when I come back live, okay? I'm going to update everything in the Telegram community. So join the Telegram community, guys. Those on YouTube, make sure you like before you leave the live. Like the video before you leave the live, okay? That'll be all, guys. Take care. I'll see you soon. I'll see you very soon. Bye. Hope to see you guys in the incoming live, okay? I'll be glad to have all of you join again. Take care. See you. Bye. Those on YouTube, guys, make sure you like before you leave, okay? Like the live. If you're getting value from the live, like the live before you leave, okay? Let YouTube recommend this channel to many people. That's the aim. To build a nice online trading community of traders. Thank you guys for liking. I see it. Thank you guys for liking. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I'm going off now, guys.